All right, number 4 here. I wanted to determine the slope of a line that is perpendicular to the graph of 8y plus 3x equals 16. So key information here, I only want the slope. So that means I only want m, so don't be extra and give them more than they want. And we want the one that's perpendicular. So that means we know we want the opposite reciprocal slope. So opposite means change your plus minus. Reciprocal means flip him upside down. Those are arrows. Okay, so I want the opposite reciprocal of the slope. Now look at this guy. We have 8y plus 3x equals 16. Now there's a problem here because this does not look like y equals mx plus b, because we want on the left-hand side of the equal sign, we just want the y, and on the right-hand side, we want mx plus b. So clearly, we're going to do some shifting some stuff around, right? Don't do illegal algebra and just random move stuff. Okay, so I do want the y on this side, right? This plus 3x needs to come on the other side, though. So remember, to move a term, you're going to subtract the entire thing, add or subtract it, depending on the sign you got there. So on this side, that's going to cancel out, and I'm just going to have 8y equals, on this side, these are not like terms, and I want my mx first, so I'm going to put negative 3x first, and that is a positive 16, so that is plus 16. I almost have y by itself, except for this 8 attached to it. Remember, when it's touching, you got to divide it out. So divide it out. And remember, when it looks like this, you got to divide it out of every single term. So on this side, I do just get y is equal to negative 3 divided by 8 is going to give you a decimal. And remember, we like our slope to be in fraction form, so just leave it. Negative 3 over 8 is totally fine, or negative 3/8 x. And then I've got 16 divided by 8 is just going to be, comes out pretty to a nice 2. So here is this guy right here. So this guy is really y equals negative 3/8 x plus 2. But let's go back here. We want to just determine the slope of a line that's perpendicular to this. So remember that we want the opposite reciprocal slopes, right? Opposite reciprocal. So the slope of this guy is negative 3/8, right? That's the slope of this guy. We want opposite reciprocal of this. So opposite means I change the sign to a positive. And reciprocal means I turn it upside down. So positive 8 over 3 is going to be our new slope. And that is all they ask for. Determine the slope of the line that's perpendicular to this guy. We just had to do a little algebra here to move stuff around.